22nd. We have 2 parts for your workout today. Starting off with part A, we have a Tabata. Reminder that Tabata is 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. We have 4 movements in our Tabata today. So starting off, we will perform an arch rock for 20 seconds, 10 seconds rest. Then we will perform a straddle side plank on the right, 10 seconds rest. Then we will perform an arch rock again, 10 seconds rest. And then a straddle side plank on the left, 10 seconds rest. Today we're going to rotate through this list until we have completed 8 rounds of each movement. All right, and moving on for part B, today we have an AMRAP. As many rounds as possible in 10 minutes. We have 2 movements. We have a handstand wall walk-up, and we have a burpee box jump. So the handstand wall walk-up today will stay at 1 repetition every round. The burpee box jump will increase 1 repetition as you progress throughout your rounds. So we're gonna start it off with 1 handstand wall walk-up, 1 burpee box jump. 1 handstand wall walk-up, 2 burpee box jumps. 1 handstand wall walk-up, 3 burpee box jumps, and so on. We will keep going in this format until your 10 minutes is up. All right, everybody, best of luck. We look forward to hearing how you do.
Hey, you guys, welcome back. Happy Friday. Gonna take you through another warm-up. Started off, we have 50 lateral hops, followed by 50 butt kicks, 50 high knees, and 50 front to back hops. All right, now that we got the blood flowing, we'll do some mobility. First, we're gonna go into a calf stretch. So setting up against the wall or a box, whatever you have on hand, opening up those quads a little, getting both legs. And we want to flip onto our back, get a figure 4. Got to open up the hips on both sides. Then we have a wall down dog, so we're going to stand it up, open up the shoulders, and our last stretch will be a calf stretch. Moving on, we're going to do 3 rounds. We're starting with 10 V-up, 10 mountain climbers per leg, then 10 push-up, 10 squats, and 10 deadlifts. All right, get after it.